How's it going, YouTube? And welcome back.
What is up?
Woo! We're gonna be doing part two.
This
Peace sign.
the sticky.
Yeah.
Sticky thing.
Yes. Actually, before we jump too far ahead, we're actually doing this for a student that has a diaper pail project. So hopefully he gets an A for this. But he asked us if we could film kind of like a continuation of what we did of the unboxing, but how to use the actual diaper pail. So, you know, obviously we have diapers already in here from Hero's last mountain biking video. You know. So adult diapers do not fit in here, unfortunately. So we had to actually throw this straight into the black can.
Oh.
But yeah, so today we're actually outside just because it's a little warmer in the baby's room. We don't have central air. So right now the baby's downstairs. He's asleep, so we're trying not to wake him up. So, you know, he's like one of those little time bombs, you know, that like the moment you wake him up is just like, oof. And he is the attention for the rest of the day. So trying to give the wife a few minutes of a break, and we're doing this all outside in the sun. Yes, I know. Oh. Yeah, I know. It's SoCal, so. But anyway, Carlos, he's from Brazil, so you know, actually, we'll have to do like a little, you know, Fast and the Furious. Yeah, Fast and the Furious.
This is Brazil.
It's Brazil. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry, guys. I know we're weird, but anyway, let's jump into the diaper pail. We just wanted to give you an overview of kind of what we're going to be changing here, and that's going to be the diaper bags. So overall, it is a Diaper Genie. We do have a diaper refill in here. It's supposed to be good for 270 diaper bags, but overall we'll actually cut this one a little small here just to do it. So we're going to do this one right here. Actually, might be smelly, huh?
Yeah, you gotta.
Let's get serious.
Yep.
As I put this on here, instructions on using a gas mask. You want to make sure the brand new filter is on, tightened, very snug, and then you're going to want to make sure that this goes all the way around and snug up against your face. Full face mask is recommended when you're actually pulling out a diaper bag. So we'll get started.
All right.
So, Hero, do you want to explain what this is here?
That right there that he was just pointing to is the cutter. You pull the bag, the top of the bag into that cutter, you pull up like so, and then you're supposed to tie the top of the bag. The bottom of the bag is tied prior to dumping diapers in there. You can see that from our previous video, from on the card on the top right of the screen. So that's it. It is ready to be disposed into the wasteland.
It was necessary. No, but anyway. So again, when you're using the Diaper Genie, you're gonna want to make a nice little knot here, right on the bottom, and tie. And I try to get it as close to the bottom, but I also leave a little bit just in case I need to retie another knot for any reason. One thing that we did have from a helpful YouTuber comment was they're saying to actually use like a little bit of baking soda. So what I don't have down here is the big bag, almost a 5-pound bag of baking soda that we bought from Costco. So we've been just dropping it right in, and anytime we throw in another diaper, boom, it's gone. But since we have a whole bunch of Hero's diapers here in a bag, we'll kind of show you guys how it works one last time, just so you guys kind of get the understanding. So obviously change the baby's diaper, drop it in, boom, goes right in there. And just for Carlos, I've been saving these, so just so you know, you better get an A, bro. I want to see an A. So I want a comment in our Facebook saying that you got an A for this. But yeah, so let's get another one. Let's get a juicy one here. We got a juicy one.
A juicy one.
Nah, I'm joking.
A juicy, stinky one.
Yeah.
You should be wearing your gas mask right now.
So I got a little bit of poo there. Drop it right in. And again, like I said, just goes right into the bottom. But we're not gonna, waste that whole section of throwing them in there. But what we will do is bring the trash can over. All right, so yeah, so pretty much most diaper sizes can fit in there, except like I was saying, adult diapers. So kids, I think all the way up to like age 4 or 5 is recommended. I was like, wow, a 5-year-old wearing diapers.
Alvin wears Depends.
Dang, that's hero when he's mountain biking.
They don't fit in those in this pail, unfortunately.
Dang, that's what the big blue bin's for. Not joking. No, but overall, we do use cloth and regular diapers. Obviously, one thing that I always stress for people is, hey, our dumps do fill up very quickly, so it'd be a shame to be just throwing these all into a trash can every day. But the hard part is with cloth, you're also using water. So for me, it's kind of like a 50-50 shot up there, yeah, because you're either ruining water to wash diapers or you're throwing these in fills. But anyway, we will say bye-bye to this bag here.
You're supposed to hold your nose.
Yep, and we'll say, it is, I don't know if it's a stinky load. I mean, I had the gas mask on, so I couldn't tell you. But we will say bye-bye to this guy.
Say hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana. Well,
let's see you tomorrow again.
But that's in Spanish.
Another load.
But they're Portuguese. How would you say?
Oh, okay. I don't know.
I don't know how to say adios or bye or anything.
Say bye, stinky diaper.
How do we say bye in Japanese?
Sayonara.
Sayonara. Alright guys, so we did actually have a lot of fun making this video for YouTube and for Carlos and for his teacher that's gonna give him an A. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and then hit that ding ding button so you know. Alright guys, see you later.
Later. Woo.